Birthday ka hapon. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wala nang candle kasi walang cake.
Ano yan, Night? Ako yun, sir.
Ano, naglalaro doon.
Kaya man din sali, binikin man tambay na court pag kaya sali.
Cute pa.
Ano yan?
Ano ito? Ano to? Tawag dyan? Kumba. Or kumba yan, di ba?
Nakalimutan.
Kaya nga. Mukha na ako. Siguro walang picture yung mga foods. Buksan ko na to, ha? Ako yata. Ay, sali yan. Ano sa gilid dyan? Doon sa gilid. Paper plate. Hindi kayo.
Ready na. Pati sa Galileo, lahag-lahag lang.
Kamugani. Sa dalaga. Dalaga eh.
Manalim! Manalim!
Happy siya dito. Oh, see?
Tingin, sir. Lady.
Oy! Hindi mo makilala yung anak niya? Si Disney Princess!
Happy birthday! Lahat na may birthday from January to December. Go!
Kinchana! 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 Ano? Ano yung kinchana? What's the meaning of kinchana? Huh? What's the meaning of kinchana? Ayaw. Ayaw.
Si Christian pati si anong pareho. Ayan, birthday.
Yeah, and Louis Lane. Okay. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, ready? Ready, Adelia and Luis. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Again. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, Luis is the winner. Okay, Zar's turn and Luis' turn. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, Zar is the winner. Now, Zar, you're gonna face Tito and I. You're gonna win. Okay, ready? Rock, scissors. Okay, Zar, you face baby and a rose. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Again. Huh? Ate, who's your who will you play rock, paper, scissors? You play with Adelia. Jerry.